Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to remove a white background in 3 different scenarios here. They're all slightly different. We'll start with this one. We'll go to Fusion. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. We can go to One Viewer. Make sure the media in is selected. Shift space and Luma Keyer. And then go up here to channel, change it from luminous to saturation. And there you go. It's gone. You can clean it up a little bit here with the gamma and the contrast expand, which we'll get into that in the next one here. And to save this as a transparent, right click in the image, save image, name it, and then in the extension, select PNG. I already have one name that. And just hit save, and then you'll have your transparent picture. And the next one, we'll do the same thing. Luma Keyer. Then go up to channel again. Change it from luminous. Saturation. But if you look close on this one, you can see through the blue. It's partly transparent. Hit the contrast, expand, all the way over. There's a little bit of white showing around the ellipse. Bring the gamma down, and that'll help clean that up. That'll add to it. And the third, we have a Resolve logo. Same thing, Luma Keyer. On this one, you'll see the logo is transparent in the center. Once again, go to saturation. But being we have these multiple colors, we lost a lot of our transparency on the logo. This one will take the contrast expand all the way up and the gamma. Right now, we still have a little bit we're missing in the middle. Hit the gamma all the way up, and now the whole thing's there. Well, there you go. That's how you remove the white background. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.